Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we are going to start today with grade 4 maths. So, you can find the lesson on A Plus website. Just go to aplusstudents.com. Then log in using your provided email address and password. Then select maths. Then scroll down to grade 4 math. Click on the view all lessons. Then the number sense, the first lesson, the first topic, number sense. And we are going to start with, click on the continue button, and we are going to start with the first lesson, that is convert between place values. So you can find the lessons we are going to do is on the A Plus website. Just go to aplusstudents.com. Then click on the uh, login using your provided email address and password. Then go to maths, grade 4, scroll down to grade 4, view all lessons. Then the first lesson is number sense, and then click on the continue button. And there you can find convert between place values. So let's start with the first lesson, that is convert between place values. Okay, the lesson name is convert between place values. Okay, let's start with an example. You have to solve 6 tens equals how many ones. So we have to count 6 tens. We have to see how many ones are there in 6 tens. So now work out how many ones you can make from 6 tens. You have to count by tens. Okay, start counting from tens until 6 tens. So they are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So from in each 10 you have 10 numbers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. That means in each 10 you have 10 numbers. So that means you have 60 ones. Until 6 tens you have 60 ones. Or either you can 6 times, because you are converting into tens, so just multiply it with 10. So 6 times 10 makes 60. That means you have 60 ones. Got it? Okay. The next one is the next one is um 5 hundreds equal hundreds equal how many tens. Okay, so in 100, from 1 to 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So in 100 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In 100, you have 10 tens. So when you have 500s, they are 50 tens. Got it? Because in 100, you have 10 tens. So when you have 500s, then you have 50 tens. Got it? These are the very basic things you have to keep in mind because from counting 0 till 100, you have 10 tens. You can count them 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So when in 100 you have 10 tens, then that means 500 you have 50 tens. Got it? Okay, the next one is, okay, the next one is 2000 equal how many hundreds? 2000 equal how many hundreds? So first you need to count in 1000 how many hundreds do we have? In 1000 how many hundreds do we have? Let's count the thousands in hundred. Let's count the hundreds in thousand. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That means we have 10 hundreds in 1000. We have 10 hundreds in 1000. So when you have 2000s, that means you have 20 hundreds. Got it? So you have 20 hundreds in 2000s. The next one is 4000s equals how many tens? So in 1000, you have 100 tens. You have to keep these important points in your mind. In 1000, you have 100 tens, and in 1000 you have 100 tens. So when you have 4000s, that means you have 400 tens. Got it? Okay, the next one is, okay, the next one is how many hundreds equals 50 tens? Hundreds equals 50 tens. Okay, when you have 50 tens, you need to count how many hundreds do we have. So in 100, you have 10 tens. So when you have 50 tens, how many hundreds do you have? They are 500s. Got it? So on the top right corner, you have a test button. So just click on the test buttons. Okay, are you on test? Okay, the first one is how many hundreds equal 50 tens? So on this side, I'm going to write the basic things that you have to memorize them. In 100, you have 10 tens. So when in 100 you have 10 tens, that means in 50 tens you have 500s. Got it? These are the basic things. You can memorize them, then that would be easy for you. So in 500s, you have 5 tens. You have three of the options given. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, then the next one is 4,000s equal how many hundreds? Okay, so in 1,000, you have 10 hundreds. So when you have 4,000s, then how many hundreds do you have? When you have 4,000s, then that means you have hundreds. When you have 4,000, that means you have 40 hundreds. You can use these basic things to write to do these questions. When you have 40,000, that means you have 40 hundreds. Got it? So you are given three of the options. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, then the next one is 2,000 equals how many ones? So in 1,000, you have 1,000 ones. So when you have 2,000s, that means you have, sorry, in 1,000s, you have 1,000 ones. So when you have 2,000, then that means you have 2,000 ones. Got it? You are given three of the options. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 9,000s equal 9,000 equal how many tens? 9,000 equal how many? 10. So in 1,000 you have 100 tens. So when in 1,000 you have 100 tens. So in 9,000 you have 900 tens. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is dash hundreds. How many hundreds do we have in 700 ones? So in 100, you have 100 ones. So when in 700, so in 700 ones equal 700s. Got it? Okay, the next one is you can note down the basic things or you can take a screenshot. You have to memorize these basic things to do these questions. Okay, the next one is how many hundreds do we have in 10 tens? Here you have in 10 tens you have how many hundreds? In 10 tens you have 100. Select the correct option, click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 tens equal how many ones? So in 110 you have 10 ones. So when you have 3 tens, so that means they are 30 ones. Got it? You are given three of the options. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, then the next one is 4,000 equal how many tens? So in 1000 you have 100 tens. So in 4000s how many tens do you have? 400 tens. Got it? In 4000s you have 400 tens. Select the correct option, move on to next question. Okay, the next one is how many hundreds do you have in 800 ones? Okay, in 100 you have 100 ones. That means when you have 100 ones, that they makes 100. So when you have 800 ones, how many hundreds they make? 8, 4 or 5? The options you are given. Yes, the correct option is 8. When you have 800 ones, they make 800s. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how many thousands do you have in 9,000 ones? Okay, you can look here. When you have 1,000s one, they make 1,000. So when you have 9,000s one, how many thousands they make? You have three of the options given: 8, 9 and 12. 8, 9 and 12. So which is the correct option? 9. They make 9,000s. Very good. Okay, select the correct option, click on the next button, OK button. Okay, the next one is 2000s equal how many hundreds? 2000 equal how many hundreds? So when in 1000 you have 10 hundreds. So how many hundreds do you have in 2000? Stock options given are 25, 45 and 20. So which is the correct option? Yes, 20 is the correct option. You have in 2000s you have 20 hundreds. Got it? Okay, select the correct option, click on the OK button. Okay, how many tens do you have in 31? How many 31s can make how many tens? 10 ones can make 110. So when you have 31 ones, how many tens they can make? The options you are given with 3, 4 and 6. So which is the correct option? Yes, 3 is the correct option. Got it. So when you have 3 tens, they make 31s. Got it. Okay, select the correct option, click on the OK button. Okay, so 500s equal how many tens? In 100, how many tens do you have? In 100, you have 10 tens. So in 500s, how many tens do you have? 45, 50 or 55. These are the options given. So which is the correct option? Yes, you have 50 tens in 500s. Got it? You have 50 tens in 500. Okay, the next, select the correct option, click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how many thousands do you have in 7001? How many thousands do you have in 7000 ones? Okay, see, in 1000 you have 1000 ones. So in 7000s one, how many thousands do you have? 7, 2, or 4. These are the options given below. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is 7. In 7000s you have 7001. Okay, the next one is 6 tens equal how many ones? In 110 you have 10 ones. So in 6 tens, how many tens do you have? 55, 65, or 60. So which is the correct option? Yes, 60 is the correct option. Okay, so we have almost completed the test. You are just left with 4 questions only. So you have to complete the test by yourself. So you can find the test on A plus website. Just go to aplusstudents.com. Then log in using your email address and password provided by the administration. Then go to grade 4 maths. Then go to the very first lesson, that is number sense, and then go to the lesson, convert between place values, and complete the test. If you need more help and any question, any confusion, you can contact any tutor on Skype between 5 and 9. Got it? So I am just click on the back button so that we can do the next lesson. So the next lesson is word names for numbers. So we are going to learn the word names of the numbers. Okay, let's start with an example. How do you write the number using words? How do you write the number using words? Okay, so the number is 400. So remember how to write the numbers between 1000 and 999. So first, write how many hundreds do we have? We have 400s. So you can write 400. Just write the spellings like 4 FOUR 4, and for 100 HUNDRED. Then write tens and ones. But we don't have tens and ones here in this case. So just you can write 400 like this. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. The next one is how do you write how do you write number using words? And the number is 946. So you have to remember how to write the numbers between 100 and 999. So first you have to write how many hundreds do we have? We have 900s. So 900. Then you have to write the tens and the one. So the tens and the ones are 46. So together they make 946. Sorry, it's just 646. So together they make 946. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. The next one is how do you write the number using word, and the number is 501. So write the hundreds. How many hundreds do we have? We have five hundreds. And then we have to write the tens and the ones. So we don't have any tens digit over here, we have just the one. So that means the digit is 501. Got it? 501. Okay, then how do you write the number using the digits? The next one is how do you write the number using digits? Okay, 56. 56. So write the tens digit 50. That means that digit that is at the tens place is 5, and then the digit that is at the ones place is 6. So it makes 56 like this. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. So just click on the test button so that we can have same questions. Are you on test? Okay, the first one is how do you write this number using words? Okay, the first one is 501. So write the hundreds digit first. It is 500. Now write the tens and ones digit. We don't have tens digit. We just have the ones digit over here. So that means the digit is, you can write the number using word is 501. So you are given three of the options, two of the options. So which one is the correct one? The second one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next is how do you write the number using digits? Okay, the number is 355. 350 and 5. Okay, so this is, as we pronounce 300, that means the digit that is at the hundred place is 3. Then 50, that means the digit that is at the tens place is 5, and the digit that is at the ones place is 5. So that means you can write it in the digits as 355. So you are given two of the options. So select the correct option. Second one is the correct option, and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how do you write this number using digits? Okay, 828. 828. Okay, so as we are pronouncing 800, that means the digit that is at the hundred place is 8. Then the digit that is at the tens place is 20. So it is 2. And then you have the digit that is at the ones place is 8. So the digit is 828. You are given two of the options. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. How do you write the number using digits? The next one is 990. 990. So which digit is at the hundreds position? Which digit is at the hundred position? 9 and then 90. We don't have any digit that is at the ones position, so it is 990. So you have to write the 0 at the ones place because you don't have any one digit. So it is 990. Got it? Okay. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. How do you write the number using words? Okay, we have the next one. We have to write it using words. That means you are given the digits, you have to write it in the words. Okay, 500. So 5 and 100. We don't have any digit that is at the ones place or at the hundreds, sorry, at the tens place and at the ones place. So just write the 500. You are given two of the options. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. The next one is how do you write this number using digits? So you are given with the words, you have to write it in digits. It is 21. How do you write 21? You have two of the options given below. So which is the correct option, the first one or the second one? The second one, 21. That means the digit that is at the tens place is 2 and the digit that is at the ones place is 1. So it makes 21. So second option is the correct option and click on the OK button. How do you write the number using words? Okay, so the digit is, so how do you pronounce this? 946. So 9 is at the 100 position, so you can write 900. Then you have 4 is at the ones position, so write 40, 940, and then you have 6. So the digit you can write it in words as 946. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. How do you write this number using words? Okay, 706. So the digit that is at the hundreds position is 7. So it is 700. You don't have any digit at the tens position is 0. you just have a digit that is at the ones position. So you can write it as 706. So the first option is the correct one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, how do you write this number using digits? Okay, the number is 56. So how you have two of the options given below. So which is the correct option? The first one or the second one? It's the second option. The digit that is at the tens place is 5 and the digit that is at the ones place is 6. So it is 56. It's the second option. Select the correct option. Move on to next question. Okay, how do you write the number using digits? Okay, the number is 502. 502. Okay, the digit that is at the hundred place is 5. You don't have any digit that is at the tens position. You have just a digit that is at the ones position. So add a 0 because you don't have any tens digit. So add 0 at the tens place. So it is 502. So you are given two of the options. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. How do you write the number using words? Okay, 417. So 400 and the digit that is at the tens place is 1. So 417. So that means you can write it as 417. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. How do you write this number using digits? So how do you write? You have three of the options given below. So which of the option is the correct option? The second one. How? You have 300. So the digit that is at the hundreds place is 3. Then you have 30. The digit that is at the tens place is also 3. And the digit that is at the ones place is 9. So it's 339. So second option is the correct one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. How do you write the number using words? So you have to write the number using words. So how do you write? You have two of the options given below, 100 and 103. So which of the option is the correct one? Yes, the first option. It is 100. You have the digit that is at the hundreds place is 1. You don't have any other digit on the tens and ones place, so it's just the 100. Good. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is, how do you write the numbers using words? And the digit is 200, and the options you are given below is 200 and 205. So which is the correct option? Yes, the first one, because you don't have any other digit that is at the ones tens place and the ones place. So 200 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is, how do you write number using the words? Okay, 103, and the options you are given below is 103 and 100. So which is the correct option? Which one is the correct one? The second one. Good. 100. Sorry, the first one, 103, because you have the digit that is at the ones position, it is 3. You have digit that is at the tens position. So the correct option is 103. Got it? So we have almost done the test. You are just left with of the questions. You have to complete the test, and you can the test on A plus website. Just log into, just go to A plus students, A plus students.com. Then you have to log in by using your email address and password provided by the administration. Then select math, scroll down to grade 4 math. Then the very first lesson, that is number sense, and we have done with two of the lessons that are convert between place values, and the second one is, we are just doing is number names. I think that was word names for numbers. So you can complete for both the lessons today. If you have any problem, any question, any confusion, you can contact any tutor on Skype between 5 to 9. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.